CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python, Final Project. Welcome to the video demo on using the Password Manager, a powerful command line tool built with Python. With this tool, you can securely store, retrieve, and manage passwords for different websites and services. Firstly, let's add password. Password added successfully. Let's add another password with the same website or service name. We can see that the website already exists. Now let's add a different website. Let's view all passwords. Indeed, we've added 2 passwords. Now, let's retrieve a password. We can see the password was securely hashed. If an incorrect password is entered, you won't be able to retrieve the hashed password. Let's enter the password correctly. Let's update a password. First, we enter a website that doesn't exist in our database. Now let's update the password for example.com. Password updated successfully. Now, let's delete the password for test.com. Password deleted successfully. Let's view all passwords. We can see, we no longer have test.com in the database. Now, let's generate a random secure password. Then, we can use it to add test.com back into the database. Test.com has now been added using the random password generated. Let's retrieve test.com's hashed password using the random password generated to confirm it really works. It works. Thank you for watching.